guys, welcome back to our channel. We're cooking with the kids today. I have Benjamin and Zachary. Say hi, Zachary.
And Zachary.
Hi. So today we're going to be making green muffins. So these are super healthy for the kids. They love them for breakfast. So we're actually going to make them in the blender. So it's going to have oats, spinach, it's going to have coconut oil. What's this? Banana. So it's going to have 2 bananas. We have 2 eggs over here, a little bit of milk, honey, cinnamon, some vanilla extract, some baking soda. So we'll make these up in the blender and we'll have these for breakfast this week. Okay, so we have the oven heating to 350. We're going to preheat that. And now we're going to start our muffins. We're going to pour 2 cups of oats into the blender. Want to put the banana?
Yeah.
The banana.
No. Another piece. 1 piece.
Yep. In the blender. Here we go. Okay, some more.
More banana.
All right, and 1/3 of a cup of the honey.
Honey.
Yep. We have 1/4 cup of milk.
Okay, put that banana in there.
1/2 cup of melted coconut oil.
But we will make
Right, we have the rest of the banana, Zachary.
Yeah.
Okay, the rest of the banana. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 2 eggs.
A few eggs.
Yep. And now we have a handful of spinach. You can use 1 to 2 handfuls. All right, so now we're going to put the lid on the blender and we will turn it on. All right, so the batter is all mixed into the blender. It's all blended up together. So now we'll pour it into our muffin tin. Okay, so we're gonna line the muffin tin with some cupcake liners. Here you go.
Me. No, right here. Thank you. Me. There. Me. Thank you. Me.
Okay. You want yellow?
Me.
Here you go. Here's yellow. Okay, now we're gonna spray a little bit of cooking spray into each muffin tin so that the muffins don't stick. And we're going to pour our batter into each muffin tin. Muffin tins are filled with the batter. We're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 17 to 20 minutes. All right, so the muffins are done and they have cooled. So now the boys are going to have one. We're going to store the rest in the fridge in an airtight container for the rest of this week. Check the description box for the recipe for these green muffins that the kids will love. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our other weekly meal prep videos that we do. What do you guys want to say?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.